What's up guys, welcome to my new channel, and today we'll learn how to back up your entire contacts or numbers in a few minutes. So I'm basically doing this video right now because I've seen many people, and I mean it, many people just say that I've lost my numbers, I've lost my contacts, not knowing that it's very easy and very efficient to back up your contacts this way. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is enter the contacts, choose any contact here, choose all, and then choose share here, this button here, and choose save to drive, and choose this button here called save. So it's preparing to upload your contacts into the Google Drive. So let's go check it. Enter the Google Drive. Still it didn't finish. Here uploading one file, and it's done. So here are your contacts. They are saved here and they will stay here safely, and you can open them whenever you want. Oh, and if you need a video to show you how to back up your entire chat history in the WhatsApp, check out my previous video. I'll place the link for this video in the description below. Go check it, and thank you.